If you love streaming, you're probably familiar with the occasional buffer that halts your fun. And that's where the magic question comes in. Can Real Debrid help improve your IPTV experience? But first, what is Real Debrid, and how does it differ from your typical IPTV package? Real Debrid acts as a premium link generator, optimizing your streaming links for faster speed. Many users claim it enhances video quality, but does it really make a difference for IPTV users? To delve deeply into this, we need to understand how IPTV works and how connections are made. IPTV relies on solid server connections, and as you might guess, Real Debrid optimizes these. Let's add a top-notch IPTV provider into this equation. Meet 2TV.store for your ultimate streaming needs. Now, do Real Debrid and IPTV like 2TV.store create the perfect streaming harmony? That's the question. With Real Debrid, you might notice decreased buffering times, which is always a good start. However, it's paramount to choose reliable IPTV providers like 2TV.store for the best results. This combo generally enhances your overall viewing, high-quality displays, lesser interruptions, pure entertainment. We found that investing in Real Debrid, especially with premium IPTV like 2TV.store, seems worthwhile. Get ready to enjoy fluid streaming, fewer disruptions, and a seamless experience with the best tools. In conclusion, combining Real Debrid with a good IPTV provider might just be the solution for streaming woes. Now it's your turn to try this ultimate duo. Subscribe for more tips on your streaming journey.